Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of CUP TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous design by Moniques Creations. This is the 7x7 mini kit Lovely Unicorn. It's cup number 943181_2246. In the kit you get 4 sheets, 1 kit preview and the terms of use. So I'd like to run through the 4 sheets that you get in the kit and then we can make the gorgeous card. So the first sheet that you get is the Decoupage base layer with a sentiment on, and you also get the Decoupage roses and 2 blank sentiments. The second sheet is the same main image for the base of your card, but it's without the sentiment. So if you prefer to use something that doesn't have a sentiment on, then this one's the sheet for you. You also get 2 of the extra designs in the smaller size for making either a gift card, a mini card. I'm actually going to add one of the designs to the card anyway. The next sheet is the decoupage for building the layers from the actual card itself, and it's using the base image and the decoupage layer with the sentiment on, extra decoupage and extra sentiments. And then the last sheet is the insert for the card and 2 more of the panels to make a gift card, etc. So we're going to create this gorgeous unicorn card. Now I'm using a base card that's 8x8 in size, so that's 8x8 inches, and I'm using a pink one. So I'm going to start off with, on the back of the card, I've taken one of the smaller images and I'm just going to add this just to give it, I think, a kind of finished look. I've got flat tape on it and I'm just going to add it to the bottom centre of the card, and that I think will work well with the design through the card. So we're going to make the insert first, and I've taken the panel, the insert panel, I've got double-sided tape on the back of it, and I'm simply going to peel that away, and then I can add this to the inside of the card, and I'm going to add that just through the centre, and there's enough room there for a nice message and your well wishes to whoever you're sending this to, and that's going to work so well with the front of the card. Now for the front of the card, because I'm using an 8x8 base, I'm going to layer the base image up. So I've got a sheet of plain cardstock. Just be sure to check Crafty Bob's Pound Shop for different papers, because there's always some great papers available there, not to mention your sundries, your foam tape and foam pads, your double-sided tape, things like that. So I've cut a layer to make it the base on the card, and I've also used some pearl drops just around the edge because I thought that would work well with the unicorn feel. So my base image from the kit, and I've chosen the one with the sentiment on. I've got double-sided tape on the back, just flat tape, and I can peel the back away, and then we can add the image to the centre of our base layer. So in theory we've created a mat and a layer, and you'll see the image just fits inside of where I've added the pearl drops. So that's our first layer. The second layer is the larger decoupage. I've cut it out and I've added 3D foam on the back, and to add it you simply marry up the design behind and layer the 2 together. There we go, and then we can build up the decoupage on the front. I've taken some of the flowers, I've cut them out, I've got 3D foam on the back, and then I can layer them over the top of the flower on the design. There we go. And the final flower. There we go. And then I've got 2 decoupage pieces for the sides of the design. Again, both on 3D foam that I can just simply add. And that finishes our card off perfectly. Such a pretty design and matching inserts, and we've got the design on the back as well. Just such an easy and pretty kit. And if you want to see any more of Monique's Creations, please check them out. And I'd like to remind you of the CUP number. The CUP number is 943181_2246. And I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.